Hi guys, what's up YouTube? You're welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name still remains Erico City, right? So it's the festive period and I've been, you know, trying to balance between work and the enjoyment that comes with the festive season. And I also want to believe that you guys are enjoying yours as well. And this is also an opportunity to wish you guys a happy new year in advance. Right now, the essence of this video is to update you guys on the goatfundedtrader account. And I actually traded twice earlier this week and they both ended in loss. One on Euro JPY and the other one on gold. Now, without further ado, I will dive straight to the chart and show you guys my reasons for executing those trades and also what I found out after reviewing those trades that I lost. Now, let's dive straight to the chart.
Hi guys, so this was the first trade that I took. I think this was on Tuesday, and this is Euro GPY, right? The 30 minutes time frame. Now, the first thing that I spotted, because after price broke past this very all-time high and created another one, so I was expecting price to at least pull back to this very high that it broke past, right? So then we started creating printing divergence right here, and here you can see from RSI perspective that we're having lower highs and lower low, while from price action perspective we're having higher lows and higher high. So it means there was going to be a potential reversal in the market, right? So looking at this, we had this high, we had this low, then we created a new high, then price took out this high and this low, then melt all the way down. So our now this is where my Fibonacci tool comes in from point A to this point B right here. So I was expecting price to give me a pullback. Now, upon price pulling back to this area, then it started giving multiple weak exhaustion around this area. Then this engulfing candle right here, let me zoom in a bit. This one right here was what I saw. Still on top of this, imagine that I was going to sell and I am executing at support level, this minor zone right here. Just imagine first of all the mistake first, instead of waiting for price to at least break beneath this minor zone, then come back and retest and I execute from there. Instead, I assumed that the market was going to sell. Then the moment I spotted this engulfing candlestick, then I executed. But you guys can obviously see how it's turned out. Now, after I did my review, like after I lost the trade, then I did my review, then I realized that after price pulled back to this 50% Fibonacci level, let me just assume that this is a high and this was a low, then this created a higher high. I was supposed to wait for price to break beneath this place, come back and retest this area. Then I will sell it all the way down to the previous high that was broken, right? But clearly you guys can see that even price wasn't even done with the pullback, and it even extended the pullback to this 61.8 Fibonacci level. So yeah, looking at it from the 5 minutes time frame, there was no change of structure on the lower time frame. So I think the mistake was from my own self. Okay guys, so this was the second trade that I took, and this is gold, the 15 minutes time frame. Now, I think sometime last week, I don't know, I can't really remember the exact day, but gold created uh, all-time high. Then the moment it got to this area, it started moving sideways. Now, if you understand chart pattern, then this is double top right here, especially from the 1 hour time frame, and this was the low. So the moment it broke, That was where this Fibonacci tool came from, this point A to point B. So I was expecting price to still pull back to probably uh, this support, now turn resistance. Then the moment price go here, I noticed this price action right here, and the moment it print out this bearish candlestick pattern, that was when I executed the trade. Now you guys can clearly see that it was still the same mistake that I did the on Euro JPY, still the same thing here. Now if we go on the lower time frame to confirm if there is any form of transition or any change of structure. Now you guys can see he created a high here, he made a new low here, he created this high. Had it been this high led to a new low, taking out this high and this high, then creating a new low, and beneath this zone right here, upon the retest, then give me any of my entry criteria, I will execute it and ride it all the way down to maybe somewhere around this level. But I didn't do my due diligence, and just the same way I lost, the same reason I lost Euro JPY, I fell for the same victim here as well. And that was how I lost approximately 2% of my account. And right here is my dashboard. So okay, right here is the calendar. You guys can see right here. I lost $93 plus, 4 trades. That's two positions, right? And if we check my account overview, you guys can see 4,900 and $3 left in my account, meaning I have lost 90 plus, right, in total. So, and that is just it for that.
It is quite unfortunate that I committed similar mistake twice, same trading day, and as a result, I am currently, let's say, approximately 2% in drawdown, and that in itself hurts. Well, ever since I have done my review on those trades that I lost, and I was able to pick out two notable mistakes. Now, the first one is poor decision making, or in other words, my entries. Even though I have it pasted on my wall, just to remind myself whenever I get to that very stage, I still failed to do my due diligence, and that cost me dearly. And at this point, it seems as if I am struggling to distinguish between, you know, my entry criteria for major moves and minor moves, right? And I think this is the assignment I'll be giving myself this period, the remainder of the, in fact, I am not trading till the end of this year, and probably till deep into January, you get, so that I can properly, evaluate things, refine and bounce back stronger. Right now, the second one here is trading against the trend. Now, if you check the both trades, or if you're familiar with both gold and Euro JPY, they are both forever bullish, but these both setups were all sales. But this very one doesn't hold, this very point doesn't hold enough significance compared to the first one, because let's even think about it this way. Even if I am trading against the trend, I should be able to identify when the trend is over, like there is a change of structure or change of character anyhow. I should be able to identify when a trend is over and ready to reverse. I don't think I'll be dropping any more videos in this year. Like, this is probably going to be my last video for the year, simply because I think it's that time of the year whereby I need to, go back, rest my head, chill, relax, and reflect on how my 2025 went and what to anticipate this coming year 2026. Prepare myself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and all of that, not just in trading alone, but every aspect of my life. And I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate you guys for, my subscribers, all the likes, all the comments, all the views, all these little actions contribute to the growth of my channel, and I take none of that for granted. So once again, I just want to say thank you to you all. Right now, that will be it for this video, and until we meet again, until next time, let's grind, let's grow, let's fly, let's elevate. Peace.